Dear students, today we are going to discuss and start the unit 5 of semester 4, and that is colligative properties of dilute solutions. You already know a solution means a homogeneous mixture of solute and solvent. Now, what is a colligative property? The definition is like this: the property which depends entirely on the number of solute particles present in the solution and not on their chemical nature. Means such a property which will depend only on the number of particles. More the number of particles, more will be the value of that colligative property. Lesser the number, lesser will be the value. Means it will depend on that number of solute particle and not on the nature. So examples of colligative properties are osmotic pressure. This depends on the number of solute particle. Lowering of vapor pressure, elevation of boiling point, and depression of freezing point. So these are the important colligative properties which are dependent on the number of solute particles only. Now, to understand, we will consider the first one, that is the elevation of boiling point. See here. Okay. Now, what is a boiling point? Yes, it is simple. When the vapor pressure of a solvent becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure. When vapor pressure becomes equal to the atmospheric pressure, then that solvent boils. So this is the condition. Vapor pressure, every solvent has certain vapor pressure. We have to heat that solvent in order to increase the vapor pressure so that it will become equal to the atmospheric pressure. And when these two becomes equal, that is vapor pressure and atmospheric pressure, then that solvent boils. Now, what is elevation of boiling point? When a non-volatile solute is added to a solvent, then what will happen? Its vapor pressure will decrease, because when you add a non-volatile solute, then they will occupy some of the surface area of that particular solvent. Therefore, vapor pressure will decrease. And as the vapor pressure will decrease, we have to heat the solvent to more extent. Hence, to attain the vapor pressure equal to atmospheric pressure, it must be heated to higher temperature. Hence, boiling point increases. Therefore, boiling point of a solution is always higher than pure solvent. Now, suppose T standard is the boiling point of pure solvent and T is the boiling point of solution. Then elevation of boiling point given as delta TB will be equal to T minus T standard. Why it is so? Because the boiling point of the solution will be higher than the solvent, because it will require more amount of heat, and this is called as the elevation of boiling point.